Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making two Glam crystal display stands. So what you're going to need, you'll need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. And what you're going to also need, you will need some rhinestone buckles. These are the oval shape rhinestone buckles. They are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. You're going to need 2 packs of these star Tealight holders. You're going to need 1 pack of the regular glass Tealight holders. You will need a candle holder of some shape. I've got a fishbowl shape here, but you can really use any shape you like. Now I'm going to be using some peel and stick gemstones. These large gemstones are from Walmart. And then I also have the small peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. Now the small size, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to assemble this with hot glue, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create these beautiful display stands, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these display stands turn out absolutely beautifully? And they are so easy to make. Now, I'd like for you guys to let me know in the comments which of the two you prefer. And let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.